We've been doing the stream restoration workshop here on Prince of Wales Island. And I think the largest thing that I've learned, other than how to build the structures and such, and more about stream hydrology, is just been learning a lot about my crew and learning how to tie it in for the community to understand, like, we're not just putting logs in the streams and blocking off. We're working to improve the streams. Yeah.
So you learn a lot about how to control the erosion of the banks and how to preserve a lot more fish habitats and ponds, give them bigger areas, spawning grounds.
To share that something I learned today was the last couple days, that the power of people working together on a common vision. It's amazing. Working together, you can move a 40-foot log out of the woods into the creek effectively if you're all working toward the same common goal.
From the Forest Service perspective speaking, it's really nice to work with different native entities across Southeast Alaska and teach what we know and help salmon everywhere, not just on Forest Service land.
Without any prior knowledge to stream restoration work, it was really beneficial for me to understand how the watershed works, and it's a living being, so it really, anything that you do can change the watershed, and just understanding how every action that you take has an effect on the environment was really helpful.
So the biggest thing I've learned in the last couple of days is opportunity, and that's opportunity to do good work with the human resources we have around us. And both locally, the crew locally is just kicking butt, and I'm stoked about it. And then hearing about the other projects from around the region that this information could go get to and help with just makes me realize how much more there is actually that we could do, and it's super exciting.
I've learned working with different communities, bringing everybody together. I welcome everybody. Hopefully we work together in the future, learn from each other, pass it on to our younger generation.
Oh, what's been most beneficial for me here in the stream is being able to participate in an event that's going to help this generation and future generations, especially for the wood potential and the fish. The fish is big, especially the sockeye, so that's what has been beneficial for me, is being able to help you guys with your stream and hope for the future.
I've learned in the last couple of days how creative people can get when they start working on structures together. Once we figure out what we want to do, there are many ways to do that, and I've really enjoyed the creativity of the group.
Really appreciated the chance to learn by doing. It's one thing to hear about stream restoration techniques and different structures, but to really have the chance to have that dialogue and then put it right into practice means that we're walking away not just with new knowledge, but also with an understanding that we've made some small but hopefully measurable impact at a site.
3 days, we've got to work with amazing people that know a lot. And it was eye-opening to see the impacts that some of our streams and rivers have endured over the years of mining, logging, and what we can do as a group to try to correct some of these flaws that have happened over time.